Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground. Suppose here we take the ground, this is ground. If we take ground as 0, if we take the ground as 0, right, and above the ground it is below the ground. If the above the ground, if we take positive, and below the ground, if we take negative, right? Then an airplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground means positive. Therefore, we'll write plus 2000 meter plus 2000 meter plus 2000 meter means 2000 meter above the ground, because we have taken ground as 0 and above the ground it is positive and below the ground it is negative, right? Now question number B. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below sea level. Now if we take, this is the suppose sea level, if we take sea level as 0 and above sea level as positive and below sea level if we take negative, above sea level it is positive and below sea level it is negative. That means a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. 800 meter below the sea level. Therefore, we can say that is it is below the sea level, that means negative, right? Below the sea level, then it will be minus 800 meter, right? Why? Because the sea level we take as it as 0, above the sea level it is positive and below the sea level it is negative. Here it is moving at a depth means below the sea level, that means it will be minus 800 meter, right? Here you see that is 800 meter below the sea level, below means minus, therefore we have written minus 800 meter. A deposit of rupees 200, deposit. Now suppose balance is rupees 0, right? If we deposit, it will be plus, and if we withdraw any number, if we withdraw money, it will be minus. If we withdraw money, it will be minus. If we deposit money, it will be plus. Therefore, a deposition of rupees 200. Therefore, it will be plus 200 rupees. Right? Now, question number D. Withdrawal of rupees 700. I already told you deposit means plus. Deposit is plus, and the opposite of deposit is withdrawal, that is minus, right? The opposite of deposit is withdrawal. It is withdrawal. That means it is minus, right? Withdrawal is minus, right? The withdrawal of rupees 700, that means minus rupees 700. Okay. Again we are repeating once again. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. An airplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. If we take ground as 0 and above the ground positive and below the ground negative, therefore it will be plus 2000 meter. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below sea level. Suppose we have taken sea level as 0, above the sea level positive and below sea level is negative. Therefore it will be minus 800 meter. A deposit of rupees 200. If we said that 0 is the balance, if we deposit any money, then it will be plus, and if we withdraw any money, it will be minus. Therefore, deposit of rupees 200 is plus 200 rupees, and withdrawal of rupees 700 means minus rupees 700. This is the solution of question number 2, exercise 6.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also, press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.